Welcome back to the family, my lovely people. Thank you for joining us again. As you can see today, not getting up too much, but you can see that I just washed my hair and I added some aloe vera. So I'm just combing that through. Guys, the shrinkage is real. This natural hair thing is not for the weak. Not for the weak. Look at this. You see that? Yeah. So I just washed my hair. Hi, my love. I see. And I'm gonna wash T's hair next.
Hi. I'm too short to reach up there.
Yes. Tell them to
like and subscribe, or else I'll be under your bed tonight.
Hear that? Like and subscribe. You don't want to see tea under your bed tonight.
And I'm gonna eat all
You're gonna eat their snacks too? Yes. She said she's gonna eat you guys' snacks. So welcome to all our new subscribers. We have some new subscribers in the house. Thank you guys.
Thank you for 50 subscribers.
Yay. We're on a road to 100. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining the family. It's all love over here. Continue to share our videos. If you haven't as yet, please share our videos with someone. Tell someone about the Blackwood family, right? Yeah.
I hate the Blackwood name.
You don't like your name? Say what?
Look, there's an ant.
It's an ant. Okay, it's time for me to wash your hair. Come, where you running to? Girl? You don't need any toys.
Yes, I do.
Every time I'm going to wash this child's hair, I'm closing the door. She wants a bag of toys. Her hair cannot wash if she's not playing with toys, right? If she not have something putting in the water. Huh?
I only got two. This one name is Headless Chelsea. And this one name is Clothesless Jeannie. Because
Hear that?
in the swimming pool.
Clothesless Jeannie
Yeah, because she has no clothes
and
on.
Headless Chelsea.
I have more toys though.
Okay, I'm gonna pull your hair out so I can wash it. Girl, get here. Okay, we'll be back soon, okay? Yeah.
Look at them swinging.
Guys, look at this. Her hair. There's conditioner in it, you know, so I'm letting that sit for a few minutes, then I'm gonna wash it out. Her hair shrinks just like mine once it's wet. Once any moisture catches it, but I'm gonna wash it out and let it dry, and then we're gonna style it for school. What you doing? Hello?
They're swinging. Please don't unwalk the
Bella, hey. So this is a couple hours later. Finished washing my hair, finished washing T's hair. I took a shower. I also did someone's hair. Didn't show that, you know. Yeah. And now I'm relaxing. T's taking a shower, and I still have stuff to do to get the kids ready for school come Monday. Can't believe school's been out for like 3 weeks, and I haven't ironed all the uniforms, so I still have a few of them to iron. Some was already done. I still have a few left. I washed the school bag, so I have that to assemble. I gotta put it back on the wheels because it's a bag on wheels. Yeah, and my child chose a bag with white on it. Yeah, so the bag has to be washed like literally every week. These parts are the hardest to wash on the bag, but I have to wash it literally every week. Yeah, but you still need another color. I think it's something, I think his color is green.
Like that.
Yeah. That sound weird though. Alright, so we have integration, language, math, spelling, library, and homework. But I don't see one in our book. Usually stay in our bag. Must be at school. Yeah, pick Aki. Why not? A fighty one, Aki? What do you mean you know? You love climb tree, don't?
I want 2 lime leaves, but I can pick 2 lime leaves. That's not accurate. See, it's a good thing to show. But you have to break the limb. You can't just pick the apple without breaking the limb.
Right? You forget you're gonna want more from the tree again?
You just don't know how to pick an aki.
Stress free.
Here.
Why are you dancing?
Aha.
So I'm combing teas here. This is the back so far. No. I'm gonna get to the front. This looks so good. So this is the hair. We're done. Yay! So dinner is done. Nothing fancy, but this is it. Nothing. The evenings have gotten a little bit chilly. You can definitely know that we're in the month of January. Look at this. What? Where'd this come from? Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tell a friend about the Blackwood family.
And remember, our goal is 100.
Right? How can I forget to wish you guys happy New Year?
And we forgot. Oh, never mind.
Yes, happy New Year, guys.